Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. What we have for sale today is a 90 horse Merc 2001. This is going to be a 20-inch shaft. This is tiller. We can make it into remote if you need it to be. I had 100 psi on all three cylinders. Excuse me. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube. Lower unit did pressure test good, and the carburetors were cleaned. Go ahead and fire this one up here. Does have tilt and trim right here. Also has it on the side. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a happy Thanksgiving.